As London got ready to host the London 2012 Olympics, we studied how data was handed over. Like the baton passed from one runner to the other in a relay race, engineering data about the buildings and infrastructure passed from the delivery project to the Games and was prepared for legacy users. The Design Innovation Research Centre looks at digital design interfaces. So we look at interfaces within the design process and also between construction and operations. We worked with the Olympics particularly to look at that handover of data between the project and operations. Often there's a lot of data generated within projects that then isn't used in the operation of buildings. That has to change. If we want to have sustainable buildings and infrastructure, then we have to use that data better. The Olympics is a good place to look at leading practice, as there was a real focus on handover because the Games operators needed to use the data immediately, and there was also an interest in legacy and handover to legacy users so that they could continue to use that data through the life of the buildings and infrastructure.
The importance of this research by the University of Reading is fundamentally to create a learning legacy, to create a set of documents, to create a set of papers that allows, I think, in my view, the UK construction industry to see how to do it properly, to see and learn the lessons from this very large multi-billion-pound project and apply it to the rest of UK.
In many kinds of work, professionals hand data over rapidly. So for example, as an ambulance goes to the hospital, professionals hand data over as the patient's transferred. This kind of data handover has been widely studied. What we know much less about is how data gets handed over with large pieces of infrastructure, such as the stadium, the velodrome, structures, bridges and highways.
We conducted this study by using a variety of sources from the Olympics. This included semi-structured interviews from project participants, as well as examining the handover of data procedures that were used in the projects.
Learning lessons from the Olympics is important, as the government's construction strategy envisions a project using building information modelling to add client value.
Well, we learned that preparation cannot all be done at the very start of a project, and preparation is ongoing in order to achieve high performance in the handover of data.
If we want to have a sustainable built environment, then we need to be using high quality data in the operation of buildings and infrastructure. And projects generate a lot of that information. At present, it's often dropped between the project and the operations.
I think the benefit for me personally of working on this project with the University of Reading is the opportunity, if you like, with academia and with the commercial world, bringing those together in some form of learning legacy that I can say that I was a part of, and when people ask, I can say, look, we demonstrated this, we did that. And really, I think, you know, to get a culture change in this construction industry, you need input both from the commercial world and indeed from academia.